Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be learning how to make a Minecraft skin or put in a Minecraft skin. So first, we have to go to minecraftskin.com. Like as you can see, I'm typing here. And yeah, it will show you like a bunch of skins that you can choose from. And there's like called the skin dex. And then there's like a bunch of skins down there. Don't worry, it's not here yet. It's loading. So there should be a bunch of skins that load in. You can search for a skin if you're too lazy to make it. So yeah, let's see. Let's search this random thing. Blah, blah. No search. Of course. How about cute girl? Let's see. It's loading. Yeah, there's a bunch of like cute girl skins or cute boy skins. I don't know. You can choose any. And then there, if you want to make a skin, you can go to like the editor. Whereas like you can make a skin yourself. For example, you can do this. Like you can draw a skin, just put on some colors. There's like many things you can do. You just test them out. You can. It's easy. It's really easy. You can make it yourself. And yeah, let's just. You can like remove like the heads, like so that you can put like the top of the body or something. Like that part. You make the back. There's also this like overlay thing where you can make it over and inside. It's really easy to do. So yeah, you'll understand if you make it. So if you want to upload a skin from the computer, like if you already have a skin, then you can that you downloaded and you want to edit it, make changes, then you can find the skin that you downloaded, and yeah, you have to choose if you wanted to be like the four pixels of arms or 3 pixels of arms. For this one, I choose 3 pixels of arms because it's good for me. But you can press decide because it should choose for you. So yeah, this is my skin. I hope you actually like it. It's really cute actually. I added like wolf ears randomly because like, well, I'm Rainbow Wolf. And if you want to like download the skin, then you have to press that button. So you download it, and yeah, this is the skin that you download. So this is how you like put in the skin in your game. Just go to minecraft.net and then press the menu, press profile, and press whatever size you want to be, like classic or slimmer. Usually girls usually use like Alex cuz like female. And this is like my skin I put over here. So what you want to do is drop your skin file there, or if you want to select a file, you can choose to do that too. And you upload it, it will be on there. There's also like a way to reset your skin. You can just do that. It's like I'm gonna change it to Alex first, because that's my skin. If you want to reset your skin, then yeah, I just told you it's like you can change it to like Steve or Alex. There's also a faster way to like get into um a there's also a faster way for you to change your skin. Sorry about that. You have to press skins. Like you have to open Minecraft launcher, press skins. This is my skin right here. And then look, this is really cute, right? It's so cute. So you can like choose like to make them sound like find browse, press the skin you want, and then save it. That's really easy, and you can do it just any time, like maybe at 2017, 2018, I don't know. It's really easy. Just press save, like I just did just now, and then when you play it, it will be on there. So yeah,